Poplar, Matel Alelia, Alvine Spets, Scox Glover, Old Cactus.
What? It's a sweater. It's a sweater? It's the Ursula.
No.
Poor
Erskabligla. Skuld. IKEA Stockholm. Bajorksanaz. Stop.
You could have.
Oh snap. Document. Algot. Joseph. Leckman. Salefti. My teens. This lamp does everything. It's a barometer. Sondrum. Lucky Bamboo. Is that how you pronounce it, Mom?
Lucky bamboo.
Lucky Bamboo.
I think this, in this case,
It's real.
regular.
No, everything in here is Swedish, right? Even the meatballs, Mom.
I'm not sure how to put a Swedish accent on that. I just want to say it.
Old coffee cup. Okay.
Smells really good. I don't even know what that is. Something I can't pronounce.
Want the pot? The pot? Pot? Where you grow pot in? I'm joking, it's Ingerfara. Duh. Yeah, it means it's exotic. It means it's vintage. It means it's brand. It means it's good. It's antique. This is a real flower. More candle touching.
Yeah.
Mom, the cop is here. I'm joking. There's no cops.
I like the smell of the real one.
What is this doing?
That's a fake.
These are fake. These are all in the wrong area. Oh wait, no, this one goes here. These are open. Okay. More pot. Pots. Pots.
Where did it go? Like, wait, where did it go?
Where is he? Where is he? Yeah, there he is. Again? Right there?
But don't leave. What? Oh, that's very nice. This is a ghost.
No, he's gone. We definitely have mispronounced everything. Lacko. He's here again. No, he's gone. I touched him. No, what are you doing? Hey, what is this? have for you guys today. So if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and comment, subscribe, and do whatever you want to do. But that's all I have. Ooh, zoom. So